Every house that we've lived in, we've added a window, and it's something that makes such a difference to have that natural light. And a lot of times in our bathroom, in our living room, I'm even thinking into our past houses, you know, we did the same thing. In our first house, we added a window in our living room as well. And it just is so much better than a piece of art, in my opinion. I love art. I have art all over my house, but I'm like, if we have the ability to add a window here and add more natural light, let's do it.
And it's almost always way easier than you assume to add a window somewhere. It can almost always be done.